Everyone, I'm Saima Patan and I have completed my BTech from Bixi College Solapur and I'll be right now I'm pursuing student. I'll be completing my degree in 2022 batch, and after joining Q Spiders I have completed a number of courses like SQL, aptitude, Java and manual testing. And in this every day presentations are taken before starting the lecture for it, and it is very helpful for the students, as well as the weekly mocks are taken for as the particular subjects, for the particular subject the particular faculty only itself. It's very helpful for the students also, because every week a number of syllabus which is taken by the staff member is on that basis the mock is being taken. And according to that, communication sections are also taken by the HR members, and they are only they have only built up the communication sections for the students, which is very helpful to get the students to placed in a best company. And it is helpful for the students to crack the HR interview as well as. And grooming sections are taken for the students itself only, and grooming sections are nothing but the sections which are taken before the students are getting going for the interview. For example, for a particular subject, the whole revision which is taken before the interview, it is taken by our staff members and HR team members only. And placement, talking about placement, and placement is also very good in this Q Spider Institute. As number of companies come here for the requirements, because the faculty members and HR team is very hard working here, and they make their students build up in this way that they should get placed in the best company only. And I would like to thank mostly especially Ekta ma'am, Akshay sir and Anved sir for teaching me SQL, manual and Java. Basically, talking about my interview itself, I had been questioning regarding the SQL. For example, in SQL for joins, functions, operators, and in Java mostly OOPS concepts are very important in that, exception handling and the basic of Java, or it means I would like to say the core Java, which is whole by teaching by Akshay sir. And manual testing, mostly I have not completed the whole class or whole batch of the manual testing, but how much syllabus I had completed, I have prepared that much syllabus, I have attended the interview, and it was very helpful for me to give my best in the interview. Thank you.